Hello YouTubers, welcome back again to my channel, and today we're going to replace my Stator cover because this one here already been scratched. Yeah, because when I got the bike already, the cover was already scratched. I got the bike almost a month now, fourth week now. I'm owning this 2006 Honda CBR600rr, and you can see that's the cover. I'm gonna show you shortly how I removed the cover, and this is the new cover that I got from AliExpress. It came with the liner. The OEM doesn't have one, right? So, oh yeah, it doesn't cost that much. I think I only paid like $60 for this Stator clutch cover, right? Case cover, and this is how it looks. So identical to the OEM, only that it doesn't have engraved that says Honda. It's just plain case cover. It doesn't says anything like Honda on it. Right, so we're gonna be preparing to remove the OEM cover with 8 bolts. All right, look, whew, that's so ugly. I don't know what the previous owner did to this bike. So first thing to do, we're gonna remove this fairing. You don't have to remove everything, as long as you open up the fairing a little bit to give you some space, enough space to work on it. And then you're gonna need this 8mm socket to remove these 8 bolts. It's 8. All right. Okay, now it's time to test the engine. Okay, after you test the engine, everything, and just make sure to check all the screws, anything, make sure double check. You put it back the way it was, including the small bracket for the fairing. And that's it. You're done. All you have to do, just put back the fairing and everything. Look at that. Looks better now, eh? At least it's better than the one that have scratch on it. Alright, thank you guys, and I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something. Hope to see you again on my next episode. Thanks for watching.